Hey girls,
What?
are you ready to try these bars?
Yes. Yes.
These girls were busy playing outside, and I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to try the new Perfect Keto Nola bars. And we are from Oregon, right?
Yes.
And we just moved from Portland last year, but when you're from Portland and when you're from Oregon, you got to know something about granola. Granola is pretty serious business here. Did you know that?
No.
Because everyone's so outdoorsy, so they eat granola bars and they're granola people.
Okay.
So we're granola people, so I think, you know, you guys are going to have some good opinions about these bars.
I don't exactly get it, but I'll go along with it.
Okay, Renee, we'll wait for you. Is Levi around here somewhere?
No, he's inside.
Okay. We'll have to find him. Everyone smile. Look at me and smile. Okay, so the two new flavors of Nola bars that they just came out with are maple pecan and white chocolate macadamia nut. And these will be the first ones we've ever tried, so we can't compare them to the older flavors, but we can give you our unbiased opinion about these ones. You guys ready for this?
Yes. Yes.
All right. There's what it looks like. Looks like we can break it into 4 pieces here. So you can try a good bite. So chewy, it's like nougat or something. Like a payday bar. Ready, set, go! Izzy wants to try some too. What do you think about that?
Yummy.
Yummy? All right, let's just go ahead and try the other one. And then you guys can say which one you liked better and your thoughts. All right, here is the maple pecan. Looks like pecan pie filling or something. Here we go. Ready? Go ahead and try that one.
Yummy.
You think that one's yummy too?
Yeah.
We got a yummy and a yummy so far.
I think this one's better.
You like the first one? The white chocolate macadamia nut. All right, let's get some reviews here. Talia. First of all, which one did you like better?
They're very close, but I think the maple pecan.
You like the maple pecan? All right, we'll put a maple pecan in front of you.
Yum. Can I eat it?
There we go. Yes, I want to taste some too, so go ahead and open it and save some for me. All right, maple pecan, and how many thumbs up do you give the maple pecan?
Oh, me.
You. You're not done yet, girl.
I give it 7.
7 out of 10? All right, what about the white chocolate macadamia nut?
6.
6 out of 10? 6.5 out of 10. Izzy, you're interrupting our video. Okay, Renee, which one did you like better?
I think this one.
The maple pecan also?
Yep.
All right, I'll put that one in front of you. And how many thumbs up do you give the maple pecan?
8.
8 out of 10. And then how many thumbs up do you give the white chocolate macadamia nut?
5.
5 out of 10? Okay, that's good. Charity, your turn.
This is my favorite.
Oh, you like the white chocolate. You're the first one to like that one best. Go ahead and put one in front of you. And how many thumbs up do you give the white chocolate macadamia nut?
I think 9.
9 out of 10? So you must have really liked it. And then, Charity, how many thumbs up do you give the maple pecan?
5.
5? Oh, bless you. Oh, my goodness. Did the bars make you sneeze?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, Levi, which ones did you like better? The first one that was the white chocolate macadamia nut, or the second one that was the maple pecan? Which one did you like better?
This one.
The second one?
Yeah.
And how many thumbs up did you give it?
1.
Just one?
Yep.
So you didn't really like it?
I did.
You did like it?
Yeah.
So how many thumbs up should you give it if you really liked it?
This one.
10?
Yep.
10 thumbs up? Okay, what about this one? How many thumbs up do you give this one?
1.
Just one? So you didn't really like it?
Yeah.
You didn't like this one, but you really liked this one. So we got a 10 and we got a 1. All right. So what's a good idea that you guys might have of when we might use these because they're like great to pack in your bag,
I know.
to take with you. Yeah, to our homeschool co-op, they would be perfect for like snack time, right?
I know.
Maybe I could bring one.
I said that.
Let Renee talk.
Maybe I could bring one for in the car when I go to ballet.
Oh, that's a great idea because sometimes you need a snack like right after ballet. Yes, Jody?
The park?
Or before.
Or when we go to the park, that would be a good idea. Sometimes it's fun just to have quick and easy treats for the park. What about you, Levi? When do you think we should take these bars?
Maybe to CC.
To our homeschool co-op?
Yeah.
Anywhere else?
Maybe to a park.
Maybe to a park. That would be
A
awesome.
new one.
A new park? Okay. Well, yes, Charity.
My bed.
You just want to go eat them in your bed? Here's the ingredients on the maple pecan. You can see they use a lot of different sweeteners, but all like pretty solid sweeteners. Allulose, stevia, monk fruit. Was that all of them? And when you use multiple sweeteners like that, you don't get much of the aftertaste from like a specific one. It kind of all blends and tastes more just sweet. And I tasted these and they were both really good. They are chewy, kind of like a Payday bar. Like they have this really caramely-ness. They're seriously like dessert. They're really good. This, of course, is not something I'm going to be eating often because I don't eat nuts. I don't do well with nuts, but I do love having options for the kids that are on a little bit of the healthier side. They're not on a keto diet, but in the atmosphere that we live in with just treats and stuff around all the time, having something that looks like a treat like that, but that is a little bit healthier,
Yes.
I just really like.
Chicken taste test.
Chicken taste test? No, this isn't a chicken taste test. Or maybe the chicken wants to taste test it. Is that what you mean?
Probably like it.
Oh!
Get a picture. Come here.
Grab it, Levi.
I got it.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us for this taste test. We'll see you in another video.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Chicken says bye.
Chicken wants to say bye.
Bye. Probably to me.
Oh, let's see which one the chicken picks. Oh, I think the chicken wants the white chocolate macadamia nut. Looks like it to me. Here, chicken. Which one looks better?
He's like, no. She found crumbs on the table.
I think it uses the table.